subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Welcome. Today we will learn how we can root any Android phone without losing any data. Open Play Store and search for Root Checker. Install the application to see your phone's root status. Open the application. Click on Verify Root. As you can see, my phone is not rooted. Close this app and start your browser. Paste the link that is in the description. Install the file. Click on Install Anyway. Open side menu in the app. Click on Try Root. Our phone is rooting now. Once it completes this process, it will be redirected to security check. We have successfully gained root. Now open the Root Checker app. Allow permission. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest updates.